It's a surd question. So simplification of what? Surd question. So it's very easy. Let's see how we are going to solve it. We have solution. So 10 square root of 3 over root 5 minus root 15. So since it's squared, so we are going to have this doubled. So let's take it step by step. So you see how we solve this. So now we are going to expand. So this we move to multiply this, then we take this and as well. So now let's take that one after the other. So this times this is going to give us 10 times 10, that's 100. Then root 3 times root 3, that's 3. And then this root 5 times root 5, that will also give us 5. And then the next thing, we use this to multiply this. So we have minus 10. So root 3 times root 15, that will give us root 45 all over root 5. And then for this, we have minus root 15 times 10 root 3. That will give us minus root, that's 10 root 45 over root 5. And then minus root 15 times minus root 15, that would be plus 15. Root times root, that will clear off. So that's, we are going to have 15. Now, let's simplify further. We have 100 times 3. That's 300 over 5. So, minus 10 root 45 over root 5. So, these are what? Are common. So, we are going to say minus. So, we are going to add them. These are, so we are going to have 20 root 45 over root 5 plus 15. Now, let's now simplify. So 5 in 300, that will give us 60. Then we have minus 20 root 45 over root 5 plus 15. So 60 plus 15, that will give us 75. Then we have minus 20 root 45 over root 5. Now, we need to rationalize. So we are going to use this radical to multiply the numerator and the denominator. So we are going to have root 5 over root 5. So now, 75 minus, so multiplying this now, we are going to have 45 times 5, that will give us 225. 225. So we have 20 square root of 225 all over. So root 5 times root 5, that will give us 5. So from here, 5 here 1, 5 here 4. So then 225, the square root of 225 will give us 15. So we have 75 minus 4 times 15. So this will give us 60. So we have 75 minus 60, and that will give us 15. So the answer to this question is 15. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.